The idea of going through customs is one of the biggest reasons first-time travelers feel nervous about flying. You hear stories about people being stopped, questioned, or having their bags searched, and suddenly it feels like one small mistake could ruin your entire trip. Customs is one of the most confusing parts of international travel, not because it's complicated, but because nobody really explains what's happening. You land in a new country, follow a crowd of tired people through long hallways, see officers in uniforms, scanners, signs you don't fully understand, and suddenly you're worried you might accidentally do something wrong. The truth is, customs is usually straightforward, and once you understand what it's actually for, it becomes much less stressful. But before we start, welcome to Travel Wisdom. What part of traveling are you still unsure about? Packing, airport security, visas, boarding, or anything else? Tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. Now let's get started. When you land in another country, there are usually two main checks you go through before you can leave the airport. First is immigration, and second is customs. Immigration is about you as a person, your passport, visa, and reason for entering the country. Customs is about what you're bringing with you. People mix these up all the time, but they are two separate steps, and knowing that already puts you ahead of most first-time travelers. After you leave the plane, you'll follow signs that say arrivals, passport control, or immigration. You don't need to think or decide anything yet, just follow the signs and the flow of people. Airports are designed so that everyone goes the correct way automatically. At immigration, an officer will look at your passport and may ask a few simple questions. They're usually basic things like why you're visiting, how long you're staying, and where you'll be staying. This is not an interrogation. They're checking that your story matches your documents. Answer calmly and briefly. Once they stamp your passport or approve you electronically, you move on. After immigration, you go to baggage claim if you checked a bag. You wait for your suitcase, pick it up, and then you head toward customs. If you didn't check luggage, you usually walk straight toward the exit area. This is where customs comes in. Customs officers care about what enters their country. Their job is to protect the country's economy, agriculture, and safety. They are not there to scare tourists or catch people who made small, honest mistakes. What they really focus on are things like food, large amounts of cash, alcohol, and cigarettes over legal limits, items you plan to sell, restricted goods, and things that could harm local plants or animals. This is why food is such a big deal in customs. Even something small like fruit or meat can cause problems in some countries. Depending on the country, you may be asked to fill out a customs declaration form on the plane, on a screen at the airport, or verbally with an officer. Some countries no longer use paper forms at all. Instead, they ask questions digitally or just rely on random checks. You'll usually see two exits or lanes, one for people who have nothing to declare, and one for people who do. Walking through the nothing to declare lane is a declaration by itself. It means you are saying you are not carrying anything restricted. This is where many first-time travelers get nervous. The key thing to remember is this: if you are unsure, declare it. Declaring something does not automatically mean trouble. It often just means a quick check or a question. Not declaring something and being caught is what causes problems. Customs officers are far more relaxed with travelers who are honest, even if they made a mistake. Sometimes, even if you have nothing to declare, you may be stopped for a random inspection. This is normal. It does not mean you did anything wrong. An officer may ask what's in your bag, scan your luggage, or open it briefly. Stay calm, answer honestly, and don't joke. Jokes about prohibited items or security are a bad idea, even if you think it's obvious you're joking. Different countries have different rules, but common items that cause issues include fresh food, meat, dairy, fruit, seeds, plants, soil, large amounts of cash, counterfeit goods, and certain medications. Many travelers get stopped simply because they forgot a snack in their bag or brought food just in case. Always check the rules of the country you're visiting before you fly, especially if you're carrying medicine. One important thing people don't realize is that customs is usually quick for most travelers. If you have nothing unusual, you often walk straight through in a matter of minutes. Delays usually happen during busy arrival times or when something genuinely needs to be checked. Being calm, organized, and honest speeds everything up. The biggest mistakes first-time travelers make are panicking, overthinking questions, hiding items because they're unsure, or assuming customs and immigration are the same thing. Customs officers are trained to spot nervous behavior, but nervous doesn't mean guilty. It just means unfamiliar. If you stay calm and cooperative, the process is usually smooth. Once you clear customs, that's it. You walk through the doors into the arrivals hall and you are officially in the country. No more checks, no more lines. That moment when the doors open is when your trip actually begins. Customs isn't something to fear, it's just a system designed to protect countries and keep travel running smoothly. When you understand what they're looking for and why, it becomes one of the easiest parts of international travel and something you'll barely think about after your first few trips. So what part of traveling are you still unsure about? Packing, airport security, visas, boarding, or anything else? Tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.